You're looking for a rodent deterrent? It's adjustable to 5 different sounds. It has lights, audio, and more. It could be hung on a wall and more. What we're going to do is show you what this product is about. Solar Animal Repeller. It is a solar panel 2000 milliamp with 5 settings. It is a blue light 2000 milliamp unit that can be set up anywhere outdoors and IP rated. It is an upgraded version by generic. Everything that you get in the box: 2 small aluminum poles that simply attach together by pushing together, staking into the ground, and placing into the bottom of the unit is one way of placing in. On the back of the unit are 2 keyholes for screws and a 2000 milliamp battery location and 2 dial knobs with a special DIN cable plug-in area. Everything that you get and going over in detail. We have a large solar array panel, non-adjustable, strobe PIR speaker, 2 keyholes to hang up with optional screws, the adjustment knobs, the DIN area to plug in your cable for charging, and a removable 2000 milliamp battery location. The pole mounting connections by taking a pole, putting it in for short, or extending for a long pole mount. Plugging in the cable for charging, we have a blue LED indicator. Holds a full charge for 30 full days of use. While charging in the overcast and sun, this is the area of interest. We are going to set up our unit by putting in the pole, placing in the ground, and turning the unit on. As you can hear the different types of decibels and noise. There is a high pitch, going all the way up to a chirping sound. We're going to set it for the high pitch to scare away cats and rodents, and adjust the sensor as we stake it in the ground over here. And this is what the animal repellent looks like during the daytime. The generic repellent animal deterrent LEDs, as you walk near the unit, it'll be a red light, and then it'll flash white and blue. As you can see, I'm walking around towards the unit. It'll create a high-pitched noise when it detects the animal. There is the red light. And then if I start to walk into its area, it'll go red and blue. Those are the colors, as you see. And after a few seconds, the red light will disappear, as it also emits a high-pitched sound during the day as well as during the night. So in the evening hours, when it's dark, we'll show you what the lights look like. I cannot show you what the sound is like because it emits a high-pitched sound to a siren type of sound. We set that up in the next level. There are 5 different levels to set up. In the back of the unit, we could set the range. And in the back of the unit, we could set the lights to go off and on to the high-pitched sound. I'll put the microphone there so you can hear it. As you can hear the high-pitched sound, to the siren sound. And that would be how the unit works. for a squirrel, a dog, a cat, a mouse, a rodent, a possum, a raccoon. Put it anywhere in the garden, hang it on the wall. And this with deterrent animals. Night has fallen. And with the audio sound, you could see that the light will flash and all. So now everything is off. As we walk near, you hear a high-pitched sound, which you won't hear. And the red light goes on. It senses, and then will trigger 2 additional lights on the unit in a number of seconds. It'll give a warning, and there you go. And that is how the unit works. It is not a blinding light. It's a light enough to show that it's working. 30 days of runtime with the solar panel, 24/365, and different levels of pitch and siren noises. If this is what you are looking for in a rodent deterrent, do check them out, and thank you for viewing.